What is up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back again with another Partify video. If you haven't seen my other video, go ahead and check that out. In that video, I actually ordered a bumper that was folded, and I showed the whole process, how to unfold it, how to do everything, so go ahead and check that out. But today, we're going to be opening a right front fender for a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Even if you don't have a Jeep, I would still suggest watching this video just so you can know what to expect when ordering from a company like Partify. They are a aftermarket part supplier. They do paint. You give them their paint code and they will paint it to order. It's pretty cool. The bumper, I had a couple problems, let's just say that. But we're in the process of seeing how they handle it, so I'll keep you updated on that. But anyways, let's go ahead, open up this box, see how it comes, see how they ship it, protect it, and check out the quality. Okay, so first things first, before opening up the box, you need to check out all the labels. There are labels saying which side needs to be up. So as you can see there, this side needs to be up. So I would definitely follow those suggestions. Let me grab my box cutter and we'll start popping this sucker open. Be careful when opening the box with the box cutter. You don't want to cut too deep and possibly cut the fender. So. All right. Now, I thought it was weird when I ordered this, the fender, when I picked the paint, it said category 2 paint job, but for the bumper, it didn't say anything like that, so I thought that was kind of weird, but it does come very well packaged. Lots of, not bubble wrap, but whatever the heck it's called, stuff. I'm just going to get everything kind of spread out. I'm not going to rush because you don't want to scratch anything. Maybe it's not plastic. Sure did feel like it. Oh, I'm wrong. Sorry about that. It is metal. All right. So these come with a layer of basically protectant on it, kind of like some dust. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see, but here, let me get my blowgun. See that? Looks pretty good from a distance. But as I'll show you, this one is a lot brighter and this one is like duller, but look at this one. This one actually matches that. So I don't know how they figure this stuff out. Like, it's two pieces in the same order for the same car, but they paint them different colors. It's just like, come on guys, this is extremely frustrating. So can you tell the difference here? Look how bright white that is, and look how like this almost has a white yellowish tint to it. I mean, that's the color of the Jeep, is this. Dude, I don't freaking know, man. This is so frustrating. Not the same at all. I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm super disappointed. Like, how do you have two pieces on one order for the same exact vehicle with the same exact paint code and come out with two different colors. Like, they don't put them side by side to match. I feel like they're so worried about getting them out quick, but like, I don't want quick, I want quality. It's just super frustrating, man. Like, I haven't even talked to customer service. I sent them emails, but it's New Year's weekend. But like, this is like, look at the size of these boxes. That whole box fills up the whole back of that Jeep. Shipping that back is going to be a nightmare. Hopefully they don't make me pay for it, because there's no freaking way I will do that. But like, this bumper and the fender are just, you just put them next to each other. I'll put a picture up on the screen so you guys can see. But like, that's not even smooth. Look at that. Come on, guys. What the hell? So, I don't know. Jumping the gun, I'll let you know how it goes with customer service. But like, this isn't really acceptable. I'd say probably try somewhere else, you know. Unless you're not picky and you don't care. But, I mean, this isn't really acceptable, you know. That smooth. I mean, why they claim to be so good, but like, look at these simple ass bumpers that can't even be painted right. So what I ended up doing was obviously messaging them, telling them, you know, what I saw, what I think about this, and they wanted pictures and proof, and they get back to me and they're like, okay, we'll give you a $120 refund or something stupid like that. I was like, absolutely not. All I want is the painted bumper that I ordered. I don't want money back. I don't want anything. I just want my bumper painted. And then they came back and they're like, okay, we'll give you a 50% refund. Not once did they offer to fix it or say, here, send it back, we'll repaint it, or here, we'll send another one. None of that. Only tried to basically just throw money at me. So I fought with them for days and days and days. And basically, they finally came back with, okay, we'll give you a full refund, but we need you to destroy the fender and the bumper and send us pictures, and then we'll send you a refund. I was just like, oh my God. But I wasn't really thinking clearly at the time, which I should have done that. But what I actually ended up doing was taking the 50% refund. I actually installed the bumper, and we were going to try to get the fender painted. And that was just a huge mistake, because it costs so much to get a freaking fender painted. We went to this one place and they wouldn't even paint my own part. You know, you have to buy their parts. So, and then they wanted like $1,200 or $1,100, even if they were able to do it, just to paint it. We were like, absolutely not. So, you know, now we're stuck with a off-white fender. I mean, I don't know if you can tell how drastic it is here, but when you put it up to the car, you're like, no way, dude. Like, that's way off. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Two pieces in the same order, and they're totally different shades of white. It's just kind of silly. Anyways, so I guess what we're going to have to freaking do is order another, try them again, see if we have better luck. Order another fender, and you know, because I guess we went out okay. I mean, we got my whole order was $700 for both of these, so I guess I paid $350 for a painted bumper, and now I have a useless fender, but it was basically free. So I guess what we're going to try to do is order again, because we're not really trying to spend an arm and a leg on this vehicle. I mean, it's just silly. So
we just want to get something decent and we're going to get rid of it. But anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you in some way. I'm going to link the other video at the end of this video and up here in the top right corner, so you guys can click on that video in case you haven't seen it. That was me doing the review on the actual bumper, which that's a whole nother story in its own. I won't go into that at this moment. But anyways, guys, I really hope that this video helped you in some way. I appreciate you watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about the video, and I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one. Peace out.